In this video, we're going to review how to factor expressions. Remember, factoring expressions is almost like a reverse distributive property. We're going to explore two different ways of factoring expressions. The first one's going to be factoring out the coefficient. Remember that the coefficient is the number attached to the variable, and the variable is the letter in the expression. So what we're going to do is we're going to factor out this 3. When we factor out the 3 of this expression, we're going to take it and bring it to the outside of our parentheses. Remember, the distributive property is multiplication. So when you factor it out, you're doing the opposite, which is division. When I divide this 3x by 3, it gives you a 1x, because 3 divided by 3 is 1, so you're left with just x. When I divide this negative 18 by 3, you're left with a negative 6. So this is your factored expression, 3 parenthesis x minus 6. You could check your answer by doing the distributive property and actually taking this and doing 3 times x, which would give you 3x, and then 3 times that negative 6 would give you negative 18. That should check out to your original problem that you started with, which means that you did the problem correctly. Another way of doing this is factoring out the GCF. It's not the same as factoring out just the coefficient, but it's not that much more difficult. You just have to think a little bit deeper into it. So we want to find a common factor of 6 and 15. If you don't know what that is, then list the factors of each number. So if I list the factors of 6, I've got 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. Those are my factors of 6. If I list the factors of 15, it's 1 times 15. I've got 3 times 5, and that should be my factors. The greatest factor that they have in common is going to be 3. So we're going to factor out a 3 from this problem. So again, pull it out, put it on the outside of your parentheses. You've got 6 divided by 3 is going to be 2, so you're left with 2x. And you've got 15 divided by 3, which is going to be 5, so we're going to put plus 5. That is your factored expression. And once again, you can check it by doing 3 times 2x is going to give you 6x, and 3 times positive 5 is going to be 15. That should give you your original expression. Hopefully this has helped you factor expressions. If not, just rewatch the video.